I am Professor Dr. Amit Seth, Director and Head of Department of Faculty of Management, Manav Rachna University. I have around 25 years experience in corporate, and last 5 years I am working in academia. I have worked in companies like JK Tyres, Uptron India Limited, Ralson India Limited, CRM Poddar Group. My last tenure in a corporate was as Vice President Marketing Operations with Metro Continental Tyres. As far as my PhD is concerned, I did my PhD in turnaround management. My research areas are turnaround management, skill development and on entrepreneurships. Beside that, I keep on conducting a different management development programs, whereby I trained number of executive director of various institutions. Beside that, for Faridabad Small Scale Industry Association, we conducted a program for an entrepreneurs, whereby all those who have been trained there, they have now been having their own business enterprise. Let me discuss today why Manav Rachna University's MBA is the most preferred course. What matters most is from where it is recognized. This MBA program is recognized by AICTE. This university, which was earlier known as the Manav Rachna College of Engineering, it's been NAAC A accredited institutes. It's also been accredited from the TCS also. From a various body, it's well established organization. Today I will be discussing why this MBA program of a Manav Rachna University is the most preferred and after sought program. This Manav Rachna University was earlier known as MRC. We have NAAC A accreditation. It has been AICTE approved institution, and it's also been recognized by various industry bodies like TCS. And what matters for any students, it has to be a recognized degree, and that is what we are providing. As far as our faculty is concerned, they are highly qualified. Around 80% of our faculty are having a PhD qualification, and most of them having a corporate background and corporate experience. Most of them have a international recognition as well. For a student, what matter most is placement. And for our MBA, for batch of 60 students, around 80 companies are coming for placements. Our alumni are placed in well established and multinational companies like Royal Bank of Scotland, Ascot, Accenture, SDFC, IBM. For all these companies, this is a most after sought place where they are looking our MBA students. Regarding foreign tie-ups, we have a link with the Tennessee University. We are doing some projects with Tennessee Universities. Beside that, there is a student exchange program with a Hiram University USA. We also have a tie-up with a Malaysia University Malaysia. Industry tie-up, which is very important for any academia. There has to be a link between academia and industry. As far as our program is concerned, we have a various tie-up with the industry, whether you talk about a Faridabad Industry Association, Faridabad Small Scale Industry Association, PhD Chambers, NISBERD, NSIC, MSME, all these we have a close association. FICCI is also one of our members. How our MBA program deliveries are different than the others. For any student, they will look into it. Our emphasis is more by learning by doing. It's more about hands-on experience. We provide education through case studies, role plays, management games, management simulation games, by giving them a number of projects, group projects. It's more whereby we look into it, their creative thinking, and they should develop analytical thinking for decision making. Think out of box. That is what our endeavor is. It's often been told there is a disconnect between industry and academia. Industry is always looking that they should get a skilled manpower. How to bridge this gap? We invite number of industrial executives to in our campus to train them, to have an interaction with them. Alumni, they deliver around 20% of lectures in our classrooms. Our student, they go for industrial visits, they interact with different industrial body. These are part and parcel of our course curriculum. What industry is looking for? They want from first day a industry ready student, and thus we also train our student, those who are professionally skilled, having a better personality. We conduct number of behavioral aspects training program. We train them for a business communication, foreign languages courses. We provide them for Spanish, German languages are there. Computer literacy is another aspects. They should be good in extracurricular activities. For that, sports, cultural activities, literacy club, music club, or visits through NGO, that is part of our day to day learning. Infrastructure. We have a beautiful infrastructure, lavish green campus are there. Auditoriums, we have number of auditoriums, Wi-Fi campus, cafeterias, medical facilities, shooting range, all sports facilities, everything is available in this world class campus.